Imagine this, you're running a plant, your wet sludge or paste-like material keeps piling up, disposal costs keep rising, and production teams want a stable, clean, reliable drying solution. That's exactly where AS Engineers steps in with a fully configured paddle dryer plant built around your material, your space, and your targets. What you learn. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the complete paddle dryer plant flow from start to finish and the configuration options AS Engineers can provide at every stage, including full automation and complete customization. 1. Fuel resources. Every drying system starts with energy. At AS Engineers, you can choose from multiple fuel resources depending on cost and availability, like natural gas, wood, coal, LDO, electricity, briquettes, and more. We help you select the best option for stable heating and long-term savings. 2. Heating system. Next comes the heating system. This is the heart that powers drying performance. We offer multiple heating configurations like steam boiler, thermic fluid heater, and hot water generator based on the process temperature you need and the safety standards of your industry. 3. Feeding system. Now, the wet material must enter the dryer smoothly and consistently. AS Engineers designs feeding systems that match your material flow, including belt conveyor systems, screw feeders, and sludge pumps. This stage matters a lot because stable feeding means stable drying and stable output. 4. Paddle dryer. Now we reach the main character, the paddle dryer. Inside, heat travels through hollow shafts and jackets while paddles continuously mix and break the material, so moisture evaporates efficiently. And here's the best part. AS Engineers doesn't give you one model fits all. We provide multiple configurations like standard paddle dryer, dual zone paddle dryer for better temperature control, vacuum paddle dryer for sensitive or solvent-based products. 5. Scavenging system. To boost performance even further, we add a scavenging system. Here, an FD blower pushes heated, filtered air through a fin tube heat exchanger and directs it into the paddle dryer. Configuration options include FD blower plus heat exchanger or heat traced cover, depending on the material and ambient conditions. 6. Pollution control system. Drying also means vapors, fines, and dust must be handled properly. That's why we integrate a pollution control system using configurations like cyclone, scrubber, and bag filters to separate particles and scrub emissions as per compliance needs. 7. Solvent handling system. If your process contains solvents, we design a dedicated solvent handling line. This system helps capture and manage evaporated solvents and supports cleaner emissions using options like ID blower plus chimney or condenser and solvent tank wherever required. 8. Product handling system. Finally, your dried material moves to the handling section for conveying and storage. AS Engineers can provide screw conveyors, silos, bucket elevators, bagging systems, and even truck disposal arrangements depending on how you plan to use or dispatch the dried product. Full automation plus custom plant promise. And if you want a smarter plant, yes, we do that too. AS Engineers can deliver full automation, control logic, interlocks, safety systems, and a fully customized plant layout. So your paddle dryer system runs smoothly, consistently, and with minimum manpower. So if you're planning a new paddle dryer system or upgrading an existing one, connect with AS Engineers, the leading name in the paddle dryer industry.